In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift an Uber Eats order to someone else in 2024. This is a fantastic way to surprise a friend or a loved one with their favorite meal, whether it's for a special occasion or just because you feel like brightening their day. Sending an Uber Eats order as a gift is a thoughtful gesture, and luckily the process is quite straightforward. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your Uber Eats app on your smartphone. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. It's always a good idea to make sure the app is updated to the latest version to avoid any hiccups during the ordering process. Once you're inside the app, you'll see a variety of restaurants and options available in your area. Browse through these choices and select the restaurant that offers the food your recipient would love. After you've selected the restaurant, go ahead and choose the items you'd like to order. It might be helpful to consider any preferences or dietary restrictions your recipient might have. Once you have your items picked out, tap to add them to your cart. You can view your cart at any time and make adjustments if needed, so don't worry if you change your mind about an item. With your order set, it's time to move on to the checkout process. This is where you'll be able to specify that the order is a gift. Begin by tapping on View Cart and then proceed to checkout. Once you reach the checkout screen, you'll notice a section titled Delivery Details. This is crucial because it's where you'll enter your recipient's address instead of your own. Be sure to double-check the address for accuracy to ensure the order arrives at the correct location. Next, you'll encounter a section that allows you to add a note. Here is your chance to personalize your gift by adding a message for your recipient. It's a small touch, but it can make your gift feel even more special. Your message could be anything from a simple "thinking of you" to something more specific related to a celebration or event. Once you have everything set up, continue with the payment process. Make sure that everything looks correct on the review screen before finalizing your purchase. Then, go ahead and place your order. Uber Eats will handle the rest, delivering the order to your special someone. It's worth mentioning that while this guide outlines the steps to sending Uber Eats as a gift, local delivery logistics may vary slightly depending on your location. So, that's how you gift an Uber Eats order to someone else in 2024. It's a simple yet delightful way to show someone you care. Thank you for watching and happy gifting.